mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. September 6, 2024. Friday racing. Umpisa ng karera, alas 5 ng hapon. Meron tayong 7 races. Yung race 2, 3, and 4, may distansyang 1,200. At yung race 1, 5, 6 at 7 ay 1,400 meter distance. Race number 1, ang ating pong cool first and only choice, number 3, Bagsikadin. Race 2. Sa race na ito ay makikita kaagad, noted, maraming sprinter. Kaya dito ang aking nakikita ay discarding timing na mauna, timing na isunod, at alin kaya doon ang timing na magpapanado sa mananalo sa race na ito. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 8, Buntay Shower. Second choice, number 4, Sampalok Pride. Race number 3, first choice, number 5, Jianchi. Dalawa ang nakikita kong advantage, yung distansya 1,200 at yung napakagaan na timbang. Second choice, number 7, Barayong. Dumako tayo sa race number 4. First choice, number 6, Super Earth. Second choice, number 5, Grand Jackpot. Race number 5. First choice, number 4, Amor, Mi Amor. Second choice, number 1, Summerlin. Race number 6, race na may pentapekta. Ang ating pong cool first choice, nasisilip ko na mananalo dito, number 1, Magnum Force. Second choice, number 4, Bright Mind. Third choice, number 2, Shining Thunder. Last race, race 7, race na may Super 6. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 7, Star of the Future. Second choice, number 4, Coal Digger. Third choice, number 9, Kalangaman Island. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!